Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on a project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. Today we will tell you news about Vechain cryptocurrency, XRP, Vechain and Tezos price analysis. XRP witnessed a gradual descent from the 89 cents level in the first half of February. This pushed the alt to find critical support at the 62 cents level on 24 February. However, after 24 February, amidst escalating tensions in Ukraine, XRP still managed to bounce back and has maintained an upward trajectory since, yellow trendline. After facing a major sell-off, XRP witnessed an increase in buying strength. At the current price, if bulls exert pressure, the token might test a local resistance at the 79 cents level. Since 25 February, XRP has traded between its previous level of support at 71 cents and the near-term resistance at the 79 cents level. The price, however, breached the trendline support, yellow, on 3 March for the lack of much demand. And it might as well retest the support level at 71 cents once again. Notably, over the last 3 days, a continuous decline in volume and buying strength has been noticed. The RSI as a result was hovering near 41.52, while the AO confirmed a bearish momentum for the next few hours. VET experienced a sharp decline from 17 February to 24 February. It moved in a descending channel to find necessary support at the $0.04012 level. The alt consequently bounced from there to move up over the past week and reach the local resistance at the $0.0528 mark. Since 1 March, there hasn't been significant movement in VET's price action. In fact, it has been moving sideways. Even though it made a gain of 16.5% over the previous week, the coin dropped almost 4.65% over the previous day. At the time of writing, it was changing hands at $0.0525. Judging by the price movement, VET could head towards a near-term support level at $0.0485 if bears take command. Notably, the $0.0528 level has been retested multiple times. Consequently, it has been weakened. The RSI gave mixed signals as it rested at 45.96 level. Furthermore, the DMI lines witnessed a bearish crossover, thus revealing a weak directional trend. Similar to that of XRP and VET, Tezos, XTZ, projected growth patterns over the last week. On 24 February, the coin received support at the $2.64 level. Following that, it moved up again, to reach a resistance of $3.61 on 1 March. However, post 1 March, XTZ developed a bearish directional momentum. Even though the alt managed to gain almost 7.5% over the past week, it dropped 5.22% over the past 24 hours. During press time, the alt traded at $3.28. The selling pressure kicks in XTZ can go down further to find a floor at $3.09. The RSI at 37.06 reflected the diminishing buying strength. Even the CMF declined below the half line, indicating a slight bearish edge. So next news. Ukraine has received $37 million in tracked crypto donations so far. Based on data gathered by Cointelegraph, the amount of tracked crypto donations sent to the Ukrainian government, military and charities has surpassed. They could make an official announcement on March 10th, during their upcoming day dedicated to investors. The executive said, "We're just completing our transition to manage payments where we're now managing $85 billion of volume on our platform directly. This gives us the ability to open up new forms of payment. We opened up Google Pay and Apple Pay. We have a partnership with Afterpay in Australia, which is a platform that appeals to Gen Z, and that is a buy now pay later platform on the marketplace." The company continues to evaluate payment methods to become, as emphasized by its CEO, more appealing to the so-called Gen Z consumers. Per the report, eBay is implementing different strategies to attract younger generations by particularly focusing on shoes and other categories. Yannon added, "We're not accepting crypto currently, but on March 10th, we're going to go deeper on all of these things, payments, advertising, our focus categories. Integrating with eBay could represent a significant expansion in terms of adoption for cryptocurrencies. The platform has an estimate of 187 million users worldwide, a metric that has seen steady growth since 2010. Will March 10th be the date for a Bitcoin eBay integration? The Annan addressed the boom of digital assets on eBay. In 2021, the company changed its policy allowing users to trade their non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Before this change was introduced, users were trading their digital assets on the platform, the CEO said. So even without announcing anything or doing anything, people started trading NFT on a platform. It reminded me of many years ago when people just started selling cars when we didn't even have a vehicle business at that point. So we're seeing the same type of thing with NFT. The executive is aiming at making eBay a hub for digital assets trading, a place where people can trade goods, whether they be physical or digital. However, eBay has been hinting and talking about the possibility of accepting Bitcoin and crypto payments for years. Remains to be seen if March 10 will finally be the month when the rumor becomes reality. The NFT sector has been heavily affected by a recent phishing scam that allowed bad actors to steal assets from OpenSea. The most important NFT marketplace in the industry, its transaction volume has been on a decline since February 20th, when the vulnerability was revealed. So next news. The carbon a critical first step to realizing Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0. 16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. That price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for VET will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. That price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important.